Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator for beginners. We will cover the essential steps to kickstart your agricultural empire. First, select a map that aligns with your farming aspirations, whether it's the American Midwest or a European countryside. Next, familiarize yourself with the 3 distinct difficulty settings, from the forgiving new farmer mode to the challenging start from scratch. Finally, master the fundamental controls for driving tractors and operating various implements to ensure a smooth start to your farming adventure. Once you've chosen your path, it's time to acquire your initial assets. Begin by purchasing a field, perhaps a small 1-hectare plot, and invest in fundamental equipment like a versatile tractor, a reliable seeder, and a sturdy cultivator. Proper soil preparation is crucial. Ensure you plow or cultivate your land thoroughly. Then, select your first crops, such as wheat or barley, and plant them carefully, observing the optimal planting windows for maximum yield. After nurturing your crops, the exciting moment of harvest arrives. Utilize a powerful combine harvester to efficiently gather your mature produce from the fields. Once harvested, transport your valuable goods using a trailer to one of the many selling points scattered across the map. Always keep a keen eye on the fluctuating market prices. Selling your crops when demand is high can significantly boost your profits and expand your farm's financial stability. To truly thrive, consider diversifying your operations beyond basic crop farming. Animal husbandry offers a steady income stream. Raising a herd of 20 cows or a flock of 50 chickens can be very rewarding. Forestry presents another avenue, allowing you to plant and harvest trees for valuable timber. Furthermore, setting up production chains, like turning wheat into flour or milk into cheese, transforms raw materials into more profitable finished goods, expanding your agricultural empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.